New event, ETT Squad, November 9th, 2022, the first pizza summit. It's called the Pizza Tomorrow Summit. Oh yeah, we're gonna take you to see pizza ovens, all types of different chefs, pizzas. Come on, let's go, ETT Squad, let me show you. Oh, this is a nice size show.
You smell pizza.
I smell pizza. Pizza in the air. Look at Scott. Look at Scotty. All right. Looks like we have some fresh pasta.
Hi, how are you?
Good, and you tell us about your pasta.
Okay, so it's family owned and operated out of Boston, Mass. It's a true fresh product, so it's often pre-cooked. It's never seen water, so it's truly like you just roll the dough out yourself.
Oh, nice.
Really clean ingredients, 5 ingredients or less, no preservatives, no cheat fillers or stretchers, and then packed full, 80% filling, 20% dough.
Oh, it must be delicious.
It is very good. You guys have to try some. So we have the lobster here.
Lobster ravioli?
Lobster ravioli. We use real lobster. North Atlantic claw knuckle. We don't use any imitation meat, so no lobsterine. We have a 3-cheese tortelloni. And then down here we have our burrata, which we use the inside, the stracciatella, so it's that really milky, creamy texture.
Sounds
Hormone-free
yummy.
paddle whip with just a little bit of
Oh, it
fresh
sounds
basil.
really good.
And then we also have our wild mushroom porcini, so 6 different mushrooms, wood air, black trumpet, oyster, portobello, shiitake, porcini, and a little bit of mozzarella, so it's a really nice earthy taste.
Sounds good. All this fresh pasta. Handcrafted fresh pasta.
Many times
Hot, fresh pizza, ETT Squad. Say not. Look at that. Strawberry cheesecake. They got birthday cake. They have like a raspberry pistachio. What is that? Cookie butter, hazelnut crunch chocolate. Look at the chocolate, the Belgian dark chocolate gelato, banana dulce de leche. I like the raspberry, looks good. Which one would you eat, ETT Squad? Raspberry or the birthday cake? Or the chocolate or pistachio or strawberry cheesecake? Comment below. Look at this pizza oven. Isn't this amazing? Wouldn't you want this in your backyard? Love you. I think we need to get this one for our backyard. Ciao.
Okay, I'll let her know.
Look, the pizza that they
Yeah,
cooked.
absolutely. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, Alex. I am going to sit that.
Look at all this pizza equipment. There it is.
I'll bring it right back. I just gotta measure some water. No worries.
Fresh pizza right from the oven. Look at that.
Excuse me, guys.
Hold on, let me. Oh no.
That's my cell line. So if you can call me until 2 o'clock in the morning after that. Come on.
Looks delicious.
Come on. Let's go. Let's do this.
I put on my vanilla. Fried chicken sandwiches.
Delicious. Oh, wait till you try this, ETT Squad Lovey. So much goodness.
Here's your business of this shit.
This is real pizza. The crust, the tomato sauce, the
Worst when
cheese,
you go to like a store.
the basil, it all comes together. It's good.
Hey, how are you, my friend?
Hey Bruno, how are you?
Long
I
time.
haven't seen
Yeah,
you since
yeah,
you used to
yeah,
be,
yeah.
You used to be at the restaurant shows.
Yes, long
Let me-
time. Long
Long time. What are you cooking?
Come over here.
Oh. Bruno, we love Bruno.
Long time.
Long time. Bruno's the
Bruno,
best.
she's my love.
So now Bruno's got his own truck.
Yes.
Bruno has his own truck. That's your truck?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My oven. No brick.
His oven? Show his oven.
Whoa.
Oh, look at it with his name on
Got big
it.
time.
Whoa.
Give me a hug.
Bruno's climbed up the ladder. Bruno's climbed up the ladder. He's way up there. Dun 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 dun. What are you
So what you
cooking?
making?
What are you making? Pizza?
I'm making a pie named after you, Angela.
Angela.
Yeah, I mean,
Did you hear that? Bruno's making a pie by my name Angela Maria.
Yeah. Yeah, come over here. Spread evenly. Don't go out of the rush. Okay. Like this. Hold it flat.
Hold it flat.
Like this.
You're the professional.
You don't want to, you're not going to be sick. First of all, not yet. Nobody knows the possible.
All right, now. Can you reach on top of that?
Now mozzarella.
Grab a handful.
See, on a wholesale level,
Spread that out. Always on the ends.
Oh, he's at the end?
Yes, because then the cheese will run
More
down.
mozzarella?
and after that,
That's good.
Lots of mozzarella.
guess what?
Some peppers.
Yeah, that's you, Angela Pizza.
Now some pepperoni.
Salami.
Or salami. I was going to say salami.
Nobody uses it. Nobody puts salami.
Everyone always puts pepperoni.
Yeah, it's cheap.
And I like salami. So pepperoni is cheap. You use salami, not pepperoni. It's bad quality,
Pepperoni is
salty.
too greasy.
Yeah, too salty.
Manja.
Manja. Delicious.
Manja.
Manja, manja. Putting Mr. Bruno putting in my pizza, Angela Marie, into the oven, his pizza oven.
You ready?
Look at that perfect crunch. Look at that. Manja.
Cut it up.
How long? That's fast.
That's
6 minutes?
That's a serious oven. That's a serious oven right there.
Come over here. Teach her to serve the people.
Anyone want any pizza?
This way you never touch it. See that?
Wayne, Scott, Scotty,
Nobody?
Angela Maria. Oh no, that's not the pizza. The pizza's in the oven. My pizza's still in the oven. Anyone? Any takers? Fresh pizza? I can't believe I'm begging people for
Right?
pizza.
I'm like, hold on.
That's what's going
No,
on.
this would never happen.
We got some more room to put some pizza in there.
Yeah, come on. Man, you know what? Now that you said that, let's go.
Yeah.
We're eating the pizza.
And finally we got the Angela Maria
They did, right
pizza.
before COVID.
Now that looks good with
Look at
salami and peppers.
Did you get this?
Look at that crust. You know that crust is perfect. I got my own pizza.
You want to do the honors?
I don't know how to cut really good.
Good. Now it's time to learn.
Okay. Now you're going to teach me how to cut because I don't want to embarrass myself.
What you want to do is just firm it.
Okay, let's see.
Okay. So you want to get one straight cut so you have pizza bread.
Now do like this.
So one.
Doing right. Switching everything.
Okay.
Crunch
Help me
right
start. What part do I start? Right here?
Yeah. So basically, okay, so we'll do this. So you do quarter, and then you'll split the quarters. Okay, so I kind of rushed it. So,
Okay.
So go right down through here.
So now what I do, just go.
Firm it out. Yeah. Just come crunch.
Yeah,
Check
because
it
I
out.
don't have straight. Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
And then keep it firm.
Oh.
Firm. There we go. See?
Oh, wow, that was neat.
All right, now let's go ahead and take this. Now you do that by yourself. Just one hand, put it in, yeah, firm it down. Roll right, straight through, pick up this.
You have to have
you
some
didn't finish
serious strength.
You didn't finish it.
You just
That's
put
it.
your weight into it. That's it.
You're the professional here.
No,
Give them the big head.
Now everyone's gonna want my pizza.
That's right. That's what I was looking at that pizza going.
Which one you want?
Amazing.
I'll serve him first.
Oh boy. No pressure.
Yeah, let's give him. Let's
want a big one?
Yeah, let's give him a big size pizza. He looks like a nice man.
Him, not so much. Cut
Look
that.
at how beautiful that looks. One thing we learned now: salami instead of pepperoni.
That's it. That's Bruno style. Manja.
Let me see. Let me do manja. Let me try. It's very, very hot. Wait, I want to burn myself. It's really hot. It's so good.
Good.
It's delicious.
Bruno's staring at you behind you.
The best pizza. Best pizza. Best oven. Best chef.
Beautiful.
Best chef.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh yeah. Welcome to One Fat Frog Food Truck, CTT Squad. We're touring around. We're going to show you the pizza ovens. This is unbelievable. Look at this. Look at this pizza oven. Look. Bruno's pizza oven, a smaller size to fit in the truck.
Oh, Chef Bruno.
Chef Bruno. Yeah, Chef Bruno. Right there. Look at this. They even have to turn around. It has to start from the refrigerator. It has a refrigerator. This food truck is huge, sweetie. Look.
I think it's time to get
A
into the
refrigerator? I know.
pizza food truck business.
You got your prepping at your sinks. Your prepping area, right? This would be, how to show this? A prepping area. What else do you have?
Can I take your order?
Huh?
Can I take
Yeah,
your
go
order?
ahead. Can I take your order?
Pizza fries, contest was you? Yeah, here we go. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your patience.
Who needs a little bit more?
You got a little mini gas oven. This is a nice gas oven, like if it's at our house, and then a frying station. And then this is where you make all the sandwiches, right? Yep, make your pizza right here, prepare your pizza, and this is another, what is this, sweetie? Another refrigerator?
Freezer.
Freezer? Big freezer. Welcome to my food
More
truck.
refrigerators.
What?
Refrigeration.
Refrigeration? Oh yeah, another refrigerator down here, look. Another one. After we close the doors, just so you can see. Hold on. Looks like dessert, like shortbread.
So we have a lemon leche cake
Lemon leches cake.
with marinated berries. This is an Italian beef sandwich. These are arancinis, which are fried risotto balls stuffed with ricotta and spinach. Antipasta. Then we have sausage and meatballs, and pizza, and then pasta down the end.
Wow.
I already know that's a winner.
I'll try one of them. He's cooking meatballs. And I like what he's making. What is he making?
Like 3 years. This is cannoli cream inside with a berry compost with chili on it. And then we're going to finish it off with caramel afterwards.
How we doing?
I'm good, and you?
Excellent. So this is a vegan and gluten-free bolognese using a frozen pasta made out of pea flour. The sauce is made out of full oats proteins.
And the mozzarella style shreds, it is a vegan option. These are on their Cisco Simply label.
Sounds delicious. Manja.
Want to try a meatball? Just hot out of the oven.
We have vanilla, chocolate, custard, and pistachio.
What's your favorite?
Which one's your favorite?
Pistachio.
I'm gonna take pistachio. I'm gonna try pistachio.
Yeah, it won my taste test.
What's your second favorite?
Second favorite is gonna have to be the chocolate.
Yeah, it's always chocolate's always our favorite, right?
Yes.
Always. Especially dark chocolate.
Yeah.
I like 100% because we used to buy the cacao 100% chocolate.
So good, so good.
So good.
I saw
Thank
you
so
taking
much.
pictures out front. You look gorgeous,
Thank
by
you,
the way.
you too.
Yes.
Thank you. You're sweet.
I'll
What
take
about
the
chocolate?
Is that vanilla?
That's vanilla with
How do you
chocolate
like
chips, half and half. I'll try my best because
That's fine.
this little scooper here is tricky.
You ready for the hurricane?
I am. It's ready as I'm gonna get working these 2 days. It is, right? And it's not a lot of artificial flavor.
No, it's
This
not.
one is actually made in Italy. The others are American made, which I love
it's
America,
good.
but this is more of the traditional taste and texture. Like these? Oh, I have some more of these.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. No, I have more.
There's more pizza over there. Right, yeah, tell us about it.
Okay. Volpi's been around since 1902. Their grandfather started in 1850 in Palermo, Italy. They have not changed the recipe since 1850.
Wow, since 1850.
They're out of St. Louis. They're out of an area called The Hill in St. Louis. The Hill in St. Louis is like Little Italy in Manhattan.
Oh,
Okay, very
interesting.
Italian, prominent neighborhood. We have over 10,000 prosciuttos hanging every day. Okay, we take our prosciuttos, we cure it in salt for 6 months. We wash the salt off, and then we cure it in celery powder, which is a natural curing agent. That's what makes it clean, fresh, and sweet, so it doesn't taste too salty.
Delicious.
All right, so that's what our
Yeah, it wasn't
fry.
salty at
no,
all.
it's almost sweet.
It's
when you
sweet.
cook with it, it doesn't get saltier like most prosciuttos do. So
Yeah, that was really good
we hold
quality.
blind taste tests up against the Palmer imported. People think that's the Palmer because it's so clean, so fresh. Meanwhile, the Palmer is very salty.
Wow.
You're paying a lot of money for imported. This is what we call the Ferrari of cured meats because this is the best you can buy domestically in the country right now.
Really good.
It's nice, right? Like I said, it's the top of the line that you can find domestically right now. Felino. This is cured with red wine and black pepper. Okay. This is old school dry salami. Okay, that's Felino. Felino is phenomenal. Red wine and black pepper.
Oh, I wish I had some of this at my house right now.
Okay. You want to try the Felino? See, when I taste that Felino, my grandmother comes back to me. Old school. That's the way it should be. That's the
really
flavor.
good.
Nice, right?
It doesn't have that salty taste or anything.
not
It
at
tastes
all.
really good.
Not at all. All the fat that we use in our salumes and salamis are from Duroc pigs. A Duroc pig fat is designed to melt at 104 degrees. So when you serve this room temperature and you put it in your mouth, which is 98 degrees, it actually becomes creamy. Your fat in the prosciutto should
So it's good with the pistachio.
it should become creamy. Okay, that's why you want to serve any kind of charcuterie meats. You serve room temperature. If you served all this cold out of the refrigerator, it all tastes the same.
No, it's not.
Yeah. So you want it to open up. It's like red
Let me throw
wine.
this away
You
first.
want it to open up the bouquet. Let it out. Anyone else? Suppressor, spicy? Okay. This is our only beef item. This is Brizala. Okay. This is the eye of the top round. Okay. This is cured with allspice, clove, and juniper berries. This is going to be a very unique flavor. Very different. It's all beef. Okay. So that's called Brizala.
No pressure.
Beautiful.
Luigi, do you have any downtown? The 6-1.
So what's the secret to it?
The cream.
The cream?
The filling. Has to be creamy, beautiful, and the crust needs to have a nice little bite to it. You don't want it too soft and soggy. You want it just to crisp and smooth.
Good, and you? Fresh pasta? Are you gonna make some?
I am absolutely gonna make some for you.
He just made some.
He just made some.
He
Nice.
just made this ravioli right here 10 seconds ago.
Get a little closer to
Can
that.
you get
That's
some in the
beautiful
water for
pasta. For sure. It's good.
Yes, just ricotta and parmigiano.
Can you give me the kick ravioli? I have that machine. I have the hand crank machine. I have so much stuff we need on the house to put it in. All my implements. I love my implements. Close. So we're like
We can't all be perfect, eh? But no, my family is from Italy, although 3 generations removed about.
More gelato, ETT squad, pistachio. So pretty. Look, there's so many different chocolate, strawberry, lemon sherbet, sea salt caramel. We got raspberry back there. I think that, oh no, they have strawberry. They have raspberry. The other
Thank you.
She sent me this. Wow, anyone with ears, let them hear.
Strawberry and vanilla bean. Oh yeah.
This is the stracciatella.
Okay.
This is really good. You can put it in pastas, you can put it on pizza, or eat it crazy. Since this is a clean fork, I'm going to give you everything. This is a burrata ball. Oh, I think it just broke.
That looks yummy.
But here, you like to eat, right?
Oh yes.
And then this is a mozzarella ball.
Oh, that's a huge thank you.
That's all for you.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Look at this goodness. Stracciatella.
You got the broken
I like the name.
burrata.
Broken burrata.
And you got the mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Angelo and Franco.
Angelo and Franco.
Okay, now you can
Angelo,
talk.
my name is
Angela.
Angela.
Easy to remind for me.
From LA.
I love the packaging.
Oh, thank you.
Like we said, the first thing I noticed, there's like no salt in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's low salt. Yeah.
Slow, I like that.
I mean, it's so low that you don't even, I didn't even recognize any salt. That's good.
When it's back in the water, actually,
so it makes a
the
difference.
mozzarella releases the salt in the water for osmosis, right? Osmosis. So abbiamo questa mozzarella fatta con latte californiano e una ricetta storica del nostro paese, Bagnoli Irpino, provincia di Avellino, Campania region. Talk about 3 generazioni di cheese making, e tutto fatto artigianale, fatto a mano, so, prodotto originale.
Producto muy bueno. Muy
Molto
delicioso.
buono, molto buono, molto
delizioso. Molto delicioso.
Hey.
This is so cute. Let me try some mango, please.
Do you want a scoop or do you want to taste a bit? You can taste a few if you want.
Let me try, just put a little bit in the cup, put a certain amount in the cup,
Okay.
and then with some pistachio.
Okay.
Show, look at this. This looks all fresh. Coconut, gelato, dark chocolate. And then the mango, look at the mango.
Oh, you better have a bit of chocolate as well, look.
And this looks all pure. Pistachio, Sicilian pistachio.
Yeah.
How about, tell us about the ingredients.
So it's all made in Turin, in Italy. And we ship it over. We use fresh ingredients, so we have our own herd of cows. We have 240 of them that graze in the Alps. And the rest of the ingredients, where we can, we get them locally. So great hazelnuts are fantastic because they're from Piemonte, which is the best hazelnuts in the world.
Oh, wow.
And the other stuff, there's so much good stuff around Italy.
You can tell by the pistachio, the Sicilian pistachio, you can see and show the pistachio. And the mango looks so good. You know the mango's quite delicious. You can try the mango. The coconut, chocolate, mango, lime, and the Sicilian pistachio is just absolutely delicious. And then look at the raspberry.
Better than the California pistachio, Mexican pistachio. In Bronte, Sicily has the best pistachio, better than anywhere else in the world.
That is
guaranteed by a Sicilian man.
Pieces of pistachio. Pieces of
really
pistachio
good, yeah.
is delicious. But you can tell, just look at the quality.
Guaranteed, yes.
It's not a, look at it.
This is one of the freshest gelato I tried. Try a lot of gelato. This is very good.
Yeah, we did this in the. This is the same brand, sweetie, or no? Yeah. That was a no. But we did this on the West P.
Is that like all in one?
All in
Ready
one?
to drink Aperol Spritz. So it's Aperol, Prosecco, and orange zest. It's made in Italy. We import it directly and we sell it. We import and distribute.
Check the Instagram. Oh,
Who's having?
So it's already ready.
It's ready. All you do is pour it over ice and serve it with an orange slice, and you're done.
Here's Chef Bruno.
Listen, I'm going to tell you a story
He's
about this.
and Angelina. Angelina.
The Red Riding Hood.
Really, Red Riding Hood?
She is the prettiest girl.
Oh, thank you, Bruno. I love you, Bruno. He's the
At
best.
the show.
Thank you, Bruno. And I love all your food. Delicious. And your pizza ovens.
And I like her so much, she became one of my favorites.
Love you, Bruno.
She's a good friend of mine.
Yes.
She's very funny, friendly, talented, and on and on.
On and on. Thank you, Bruno. You're too nice.
Yeah.
Love you, Bruno.